Yay!
Hi, I'm Poppy. Today let's find out 26 different words which start with the letter D. This is how the alphabet D looks like in the uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. D for dog. Dog. D for donkey. Donkey. D for duck. Duck. D for dove. Dove. D for dragonfly. Dragonfly. D for dinosaur. Dinosaur. D for dragon. Dragon. D for daisy. Daisy. D for dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. D for donut. Donut. D for dim sum. Dim sum. D for dress. Dress. D for dish. Dish. D for diary. Diary. D for desk. Desk. D for drawer. Drawer. D for door. Door. D for diamond. Diamond. D for drum. Drum. D for dice. Dice. D for dots. Dots. D for dam. Dam. D for disco ball. Disco ball. D for dustbin. Dustbin. D for den. Den. And lastly, D for desert. Desert. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for joining in today. And for more fun videos, be sure to also check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. You did a great job today. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.